Okay, so I had to turn my phone off. I'm using my other one in order to record this because I'm in Broke Farmers live about these doggone trees that I keep telling him I'm going to plant. So this is what my slant is like. This is the front of the house, well, the side part, but the front, going down to the garden. And you see how it slants going down. So when it warms up, then I will take my trees and maybe line them along that direction right up in here. To get my what is it, wheelbarrow. I changed my mind about the pumpkins. I'll show you the pumpkins in the front of my house. I was gonna let them just compost where they are composting, but I think I'm nervous about it now because listening to Cam say, oh, that's a lot of ground cover and pests, and I'm thinking snakes when you say pests. And I'm like, I don't know, that might not be a great idea for that, but I have to put it somewhere where my husband's not going to run over my vines like he did the first year that my pumpkins and watermelons were growing so well. I have an idea, and I'm going to show you in 1 second. First, I got to feed the girls. Look at them, they waiting too. So this pan is in here because last night I gave them some bread that I soaked. It was like bread that was going bad. No mold though. I would never give them anything with mold on it. It's just like hard bread that I soaked for them. There you go. Do you have water? Do I need to get water? I need to get them some water.
You my baby. I'm gonna put you on my taxes. I'm gonna book you my baby. That's what farmers say. They got to feed America. And somebody said, I ain't got no.
These are the pumpkins that I put out for like the fall decor and stuff like that. And I just didn't pick them up, you guys. And now they're very well composted. So I'm trying to maneuver it onto the shovel without breaking it apart and having the seeds all up here, because I have a spot down in the garden that I want to place them.
You don't see it. It's still there. You know how you poison your yard? Put inorganic matter everywhere. Plastic, things that don't break down.
As per usual, I cannot sit still long enough to listen or watch anybody's live, so I'm always doing things on the go. So I'm headed down to the garden area. The stuff you see sitting on the side here, that's, where I'm cleaning out the, garden, and I have nowhere to put it. So I think I'm going to purchase a burn barrel and get it in there and definitely get it burned. But this is the hillside that I'm on right here that I was talking about. I don't know where I want to put the trees, so eventually I will have to come out and drag the trees over here and see exactly how I want to line them up and where I want to actually plant them in the ground. This is what the garden is looking like. Nothing in there. It's just boring because it's winter. But my compost area here, I'm going to take some of this compost and I'm going to, after I throw the pumpkin where I'm going to be throwing the seeds out at, I will throw some of this compost, the chicken manure, over it, and that's where I'm going to grow, hopefully, these pumpkins. And the watermelons will be in the same bed as well, just a little further down. This is the chicken manure on the right and the rabbit manure on the left. So here's a look at the seeds. There are so many in these pumpkins. Hopefully something will sprout out when it's time. Now I'm about to scoop some of this compost into my wheelbarrow and then dump it out over those pumpkins. Right now I'm using the compost to cover up the seeds and the pumpkin, and I'll be adding more things to this bed as time goes on. They lay over here as well. Just gave them water and food.
A lot of eggs. 20 eggs.
Oh, they didn't lay over here. They laid over there.
You ain't got no hand.
Let me get something out of the shed. I had that bread in there last night. This is big enough for all these eggs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got a dozen. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, 18. They fit. It's 18.
18 eggs?
Hmm.
I said probably about 20 eggs.
You know how much 18 eggs in a store cost?
Probably about $30.
Almost $12. Sit it inside of there. Or if they fall out, they fall out in there. That's a lot of eggs.
I got the ground.
Okay. I got that for quail. Let me show you what I did over there. Put those down. Just put those right there. Let me show you what I did with so I'm about to get some propane put back in my tank. I just got some, but we're just gonna go ahead and get some more just in case we get another cold spell that I'm not expecting.
Get over here.
There's your daddy. Go. Get on over there.
Come here.
Summer days, they go shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you.